families out there are suffering, right? So today is the first official session of our club, and I welcome all of you to the Wealthy Teens Finance Club. So today we're going to start with the introductions of every teen in this club. I'll start from mine, okay? Hello everyone, I'm Kavyanjali, a ninth grader, a 13-year-old, and a daydreamer about to make my dreams come true. My intention to join to actually initiate this club was to teach teens about money so that when they grow up, they don't struggle like all the people stuck in the rat race. Then I want all of you to introduce yourselves. Let's start with Ritika.
Okay, hello. I'm Ritika and I'm doing my chartered accountancy course right now. So I'm about to get into the same kind of field as like Kavyanjali. I'm also very much interested in finance. I too wanted to get into this field. So super happy and super proud of you that you are doing these steps at this young age. So I'm looking forward for the session. I hope you're gonna rock it.
Thank you, thank you. Next, who's gonna go next? Let's do Shreyas.
Okay, my name is Shreyas and I'm 15 years old. And yeah, I'm currently living in Kerala and um, I am an animal rights activist and I am posting awareness videos on Instagram. And also, I have to like actually post videos on my YouTube channel too, which is not happening right now. But yeah, that's pretty much about me.
Okay, let's continue with Gitika.
Hello everyone, good evening. I am Gitika and I'm from Jaipur. I am 14 years old and I'm just here to learn few things about financial activities and I hope I'll get along with everyone.
Let's go with Shashini.
Hello everyone, so I'm Shashini. I'm 17-year-old. I just turned 17 on May 19th. And my interests are in self-love and tarot, access consciousness, life, self-growth, so many things. And all the best, Kavyanjali. Hope you rock this and I'm so looking forward to this. It's so good to be here. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, Swastika. How are you doing? Can you
Hi.
introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so hello everyone. This is Swastika, and I'm a 15-year-old teen, a 10th grader. And actually, I have multiple interests, but for now, it's like trying something new, things like dancing, content creating. I'm editing a lot right now, and yeah, I'm working on a series, or like you can say a series maybe, because I am trying something random, a craft thing. So yeah, and I am so much excited for this because I have no zero idea about finance, and um you should know about finance. I
Yeah.
have zero money, so it will help me in my future. So that's why. And new things should be learned, and because it is summer vacations, totally free. That's the main motto, to learn new. And all the best, Kavyanjali. So proud of you.
Thank
Rock it.
you. Hi, Vanshika. How are you? Is Mira, can you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Mira, and I'm an 11-year-old going to seventh grade. I have a couple of hobbies, but my main ones are like arts. I used to do martial arts, but I'm also into other arts like music and crocheting. And I'm super excited to be here, and I want to know about smart money management tips. And thank you. Bye.
Great. Let now the ones who are not on the camera, should we include them or should we not talk to them? That's up to them to decide, okay? So the ones who are behind the cameras, I want to see your faces and I want to talk to you like a human, not black boxes.
Can I speak now?
Yeah, sure, Vanshika.
Hi everybody, I am Vanshika and I am 11 years old and I am a 7th grader. So I don't have any knowledge about finance. So I hope this session will make me feel like something I have learned from it.
Great. Okay, good. Now let's talk to Nishant.
Good evening, all the participants. I'm Nishchan Saluja. I'm a ninth grader from Delhi. I've joined this club because financial literacy is a topic that no one has ever taught us teens.
Okay, now अब जिनका कैमरा ऑफ था उनका कैमरा ऑफ ही है. No worries. So because this is the day one, we're going to discuss about what we are going to understand or learn in the next 28 days, which is the next 4 weeks. But before that, let's do a ritual. Okay, we'll call this a ritual that we will find out the best things of our day. तो आज आपके दिन में जो भी सबसे अच्छी चीजें हुई हैं, we'll talk about them and we'll be grateful for that. Okay. I'll go first. The best thing that happened in today's day is that I won a match from someone senior in table tennis. Okay. That's my win for the day. And I'm truly grateful for that because now I am improving in my game. Let's hear to some of your wins. So just go on and speak your wins. Who's going to go first? No one has a win today? Acha, let's choose someone random. Let's go with Vanshika.
Ma'am, can I take a second? Like, I have not think about it.
So just think about whatever best happened in your day. Let's okay, Swastika.
Okay, so the best thing which happened today was my meetup, like the random meetup with my friends. We planned it yesterday at 10:30 p.m. and today we executed that meetup at after 9:30. Like just after tuitions, we went to her home, had some crazy party and crazy adventures. So yes, that was the best part of the day.
Okay. Shreyas, what's your win for the day?
Yeah, so I had got an RC car 1 or 2 days ago, and actually it was not working. So I'm really interested in opening the cars and seeing the interior part. So I somehow managed to fix the car. So I think that is a win for me.
Great. So the next part is that let me just share my screen. Yeah. So I hope you can see my screen. The first part, which is the wins, we've covered it. The second thing is that we are going to look at the overview of the next 28 days, right? Now, the aim of this club is firstly not to teach teens how to earn money, because earning money is not everything, right? We have to manage money, we have to save money, we have to multiply money, and that is how you're going to build your empire. So the first thing is understanding what is finance. Now, whenever I speak to someone and they ask me ki kya padhai kar rahe ho or what do you want to become when you grow up, I say that I want to become a finance coach. Now they say, acha, paisa. Or they say, acha, you teach how to earn money. No, I don't teach how to earn money. I teach what actually is financial literacy. So finance is not about earning money. Okay, finance is not about being rich. Finance is about understanding money, not earning money, but to understand money, what actually money is, why actually do we use money and not anything else, and how do you save money and not be rich but become wealthy. Then we're going to discuss some, kind of hard topics that even adults aren't able to understand, which is something called assets and liabilities. Now, how many of you heard these words, assets and liabilities? Anyone? Great. And do you actually know what assets and or liabilities are? Ritika, would you like to answer?
Sure, sure. Yeah, assets is something which kind of gains you income. Liabilities, to put it up in easy terms, I've heard it from the book. That is,
Yeah.
which brings money to your pocket is asset, which takes money from your pocket is liability, as per
Correct.
the Rich Dad Poor Dad book.
Yeah. But what do adults think about it? When you ask an adult, an average adult, a person who's working in a 9 to 5 job, जब उनसे पूछते हो कि एसेट क्या होता है या फिर लाइबिलिटी क्या होता है, दे से एसेट वो चीज होती है दैट गिव्स मी मनी एंड लाइबिलिटी वो चीज होती है दैट टेक्स मनी फ्रॉम मी, ऑलराइट. बट देन व्हेन वी आस्क देम, is your car your asset or is your car your liability, what do you think they'll say? They think कि कार मुझे ऑटो रिक्शा के या फिर जस्ट बाय वॉकिंग जाने से बचाता है, राइट? सो इट सेव्स मी मनी. So they say that my car is my asset. Why? Because कार की वजह से आपको किसी ऑटो रिक्शा को नहीं ढूंढना पड़ता है, राइट? एंड देन if we ask them what your home is it a liability or an asset? They say my home is my asset because obviously it gives me a place to live in, right? But that is not actually it. Your home is actually not your asset, and that is what you need to deep जाके समझना पड़ता है इस चीज को. Then the third thing that we're gonna do is debts and loans. अब सब लोग सोचेंगे everybody says get out of debts, okay, get a consolidation bill so that you don't get into higher debt, right? But some debts are good. And how are they good? We're gonna know that, because that's similar to assets and liabilities. Bad debts get money out of your pocket every month, while good debts also get money out of your pocket, but you gain profit from them in some other referring. Okay. And then the fourth thing is money management. That is the most best, the most fun activity. There's a kind of activity that we'll do in this part, and that is why this is my favorite part. Okay. Money management is about managing your money, because obviously you're not gonna spend 50,000 on what you're wearing, 10,000 on what you're eating, and just 1,000 on where you live, right? That is what we'll learn in money management. Then comes financial freedom. Ab financial freedom kya hota hai? Does anyone know what is financial freedom? No one? Okay, I'll tell you. Financial freedom. Firstly, finance, and then the second word, freedom. When you're free from your finances, ये वो टाइम है जब आपको अपने फाइनेंसेस के बारे में चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, यू डोंट हैव टू केयर व्हाट यू स्पेंडिंग ऑन, मतलब नॉट एक्चुअली, बट यू डोंट हैव टू केयर व्हाट कहाँ से पैसे आ रहे हैं, वेयर इज अ कैश गोइंग, वेयर इज अ कैश कमिंग, बिकॉज you don't have to worry about are you earning or not, because that's the part when पैसे अपने आप आ रहे, you don't have to work for money, right? And then we'll talk about investments. This is also one of my favorite parts, but this is something very technical, so this gets harder for teens actually, but no worries, I'm here. And then in investments actually, it may be some part of debts, some part of loans, some part of assets, and some liabilities. And also investments may be you might have heard it, don't put all the eggs in one basket, right? You don't have to invest all of your money in just one investment. Then we're going to do the types of investments, which are real estate, stock market, metals, gold, silver, and stuff. Okay. Then the last part is your mindset about money. And this is the most important part, because money management may about finances, 80% of the part is played by your mind, the way you think about money and the way you're always taught about money. and the rest 20% is all those fundamental technical stuff. All right. Now, the first and the easiest part is your mindset about money. When you are, yeah, so you might have heard these quotes like most of the time, is that like पैसे पेड़ पर नहीं उगते. If just not if you've heard that, पैसे पेड़ पर नहीं उगते. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. And the next one is चादर के बाहर पैर मत निकालो. It's like जितनी बड़ी चादर है उतने ही पैर फैलाओ. Yeah. But have you ever thought कि अगर पैसे पेड़ पर नहीं उगते हैं, then you have to work for money, right? So we will look at these quotes from a different point of view. अगर चादर बड़ी नहीं है तो why not just buy a new one? Isn't it? That is how we're gonna look through these topics, and then you will be blown out by what this book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, what Robert Kiyosaki says in this book, Rich Dad Poor Dad. And this is basically what the rich teach their kids about money that the poor and middle class do not. तो इसमें वही सारी चीजें हैं जो रॉबर्ट कियोसाकी के पेरेंट्स ने उनको नहीं सिखाई थी, बट उसके बेस्ट फ्रेंड ने उनके पेरेंट्स ने उसे सिखाई थी. ऑलराइट. Then yeah, so another breakdown of the next 28 weeks is that the first week it will be, just a minute. Yes. So the first week will be all about your mindset about money and some easy topics. We'll start off with easy topics, which is the foundation of what you think about money, where we'll know that why why thoughts matter more than any other strategy, right? Second thing, the second week, we'll talk about some a little harder topics like debts, assets, liabilities, and financial freedom, the way money works. And also, half of the book will be completed. Then in the third week, we'll talk about practical tips and strategies, जिसमें आएगा money management and the way you have to manage your money, whatever you earn and whatever you spend. And this will also include time and money, the comparison of time and money, because my mentor says you spend only with these two things, time and money. You can't earn money, but you can't earn money by giving out time, or you can't earn time by giving out money. But जो भी चीजें इस दुनिया में है, you can get them from time or money. Okay. Now it is that, do you want to give your time for this thing or your money for this thing? Then the last week will be the best week, but only if you listen to it and understand it. So the last week is all about investments and the technical stuff. Okay. And also a little surprise for you all is that even I didn't expect this, but I will be dividing you all into 3 different groups. Okay. And we'll work together to make it more fun each week. Okay. So like this week, one of the groups will be presenting something like, it will be a rapid fire quiz, let's say, or maybe you can make a video and present it, a 5-minute short video and present it. Okay. Or it can be a real life scenario in by acting it. Or we can also, kind of just make things creative with teams. Okay. So yeah. Now the content for today is actually over. I mean, I guess I spoke a bit fast or something, but okay, let's move on to Robert Kiyosaki's story. So Robert Kiyosaki kaun the? He was actually a teen at when he was not even a teen, जब वो 9 years के थे, his friends, one of them who was Jimmy, वो अपनी parents के साथ, his friends, all of his friends, अपने parents के साथ, were driving a Rolls Royce and showing off to Robert Kiyosaki and his friend Mike. All right. So Robert Kiyosaki और उनके best friend Mike were kind of jealous with those kids, but they were studying in the same school. So once Robert Kiyosaki वो अपने parents के पास गए and he asked his father कि why are we not rich? Now his dad is his own biological dad is the poor dad of the title, right? तो अब उन्हें तो पता ही नहीं होगा obviously कि why are we not rich? So he simply answered कि मैं एक teacher हूँ, I'm a school teacher, I work for the government and I teach because I love to teach. And that's it. He ended the conversation right there. Then Robert and Mike figured out a way to make money. Okay, what they did, उस time पे जो toothpaste tubes होते थे, they were made of metal, right? It was like some 100 years ago, I guess. जो toothpaste tubes होते थे, they were made of metal. So they collected toothpaste tubes from the neighborhoods. Okay, वो अपने neighborhood में जाके, they asked all their neighbors to save their toothpaste tubes and not sell them because they wanted to get them for free. All right, and कोई आपको मना क्यों करेगा if you wanted waste from your house? फिर उन्होंने उन टूथपेस्ट ट्यूब्स को कलेक्ट करके अपने घर पे वॉशिंग मशीन के साइड पे रखा फॉर लाइक 2 months or something. And उनके पेरेंट्स गुस्सा हो गए फिर that why did you just why you bringing waste from the neighborhood? They answer that they're gonna build an empire or something. They have a partnership to a business and stuff. And then what they did was the day came when they were going to mint coins. They took some plaster of Paris, molded them, and they melted the toothpaste tubes into metal, and they started making nickels out of it. Okay, what do you call pennies, right? Then what happened? Unke parents sighed and then they said, "What is this mess?" Because obviously you can't just mint nickels out of toothpaste tubes. That's okay. And then unke parents ne samjhaya that these are not nickels. You're not minting coins. These are counterfeit nickels, and this is illegal. So if someone sees you doing this job, you're gonna be going to the jail or something. Then those guys, Robert Kiyosaki and Mike, they were like frightened, and then they said, "Ki then who's going to teach us to, make money? What do you mean by making money?" They went to Mike's dad, who didn't never pass the 8th grade, but he was running like a chain of businesses, a chain of companies, and he was earning more than the person who worked for the government as a teacher. फिर क्या हुआ? Mike and उसके पापा ने डिस्कस किया. They set up a time, and Mike and Robert Kiyosaki, they went to his dad, Mike's dad, and asked for some tips about earning money or making money. Mike ke papa, he worked as the owner of a chain of supermarkets, right? उन्होंने बोला that you come to one of my supermarkets every Saturday and work for 3 hours, and I'll give you 30 cents, just 30 cents for 3 hours. 30 cents at that time was like you couldn't even get they bought novels out of those 30 cents. Okay, फिर Robert had to miss his baseball classes just to go to that place and work for 3 hours just for 30 cents, out of which he wasn't able to buy even a new cycle for himself that he wanted. He just bought comics out of them. Now, a few months later, Robert was just busted up by it. And what he did was he went to Mike's dad, and he was, just a little kid, but still so angry to even fight an adult. He said that he's harassing kids and child labor, and that his father works for the government, and that he would, just somehow tell the police and something. But then this is the biggest lesson from this book about fear and greed, which Mike's dad somehow, not directly, but somehow gave to Robert. So this is all about how Robert was, derived by fear and greed both at the same time. But then we will discuss about this topic when we're doing the psychology of money. So I guess that's it for today. We'll end here, unfortunately, because I just don't have another script, right? But tomorrow we are going to discuss about the first day is about what actually is money. So just you can have the book, you can buy the book. I'll send you a link in the group. If you want to buy the book, you can buy the book from there. And make sure to read this book at least once in your lifetime. All right. So let's just do some reviews. How many of you think, not sure if I was able to do it correct today, but just a little review of what you think today's class went. Are you alive or like lost?
It is brilliant, Ramesh.
Thank you. So just get ready for tomorrow, and we'll see you. Good night.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.